In last lecture, we have discussed about public static void main string args in detail. Now, in this lecture, we are going to learn about how to use a command line argument, or what is meant by command line argument. So, as the name suggests, command line arguments means it related to command prompt. Yes, it is related to command prompt. So, whatever data we are sending by using command prompt to the program is called as a command line arguments. So if we consider one statement, that is Java space demo space abc space xyz. So in this case, Java is considered as an interpreter, demo is considered as a program name, abc is the first argument, and xyz is the second argument. So let's talk in detail about command line arguments. So what is the purpose of using command line arguments? So command line arguments are applications used by Java. So we can use this application to pass the data to the program when we first run the program. So it is the best way to initialize the custom data. So custom data means ABC and XYZ. It is a custom data we are sending to the program. And what operations we are going to perform? The first operation is we are passing the data, that is arguments. We are reading the data and we are accessing the data. So let's start with the program. To start a simple Java program, first step is open Notepad. Second, write the following code. The program starts with a class. So first step, class. Our program name. So our program name is a demo. So class space demo, curly bracket open. We have to use a main method here. So main method, public static void main into the round brackets string args. So args is the argument and string is the data type. So we are creating args array by using string. So args array, we have not mentioned any size. So it is dynamic in nature. Whatever parameters or whatever data we are sending to the program, as it is, it will take. After that, curly bracket open. Next step, we have to display the first parameter or first argument which is passed when we run the program. So we'll write the code for that. For that purpose, we need a printf statement. So pub system dot out dot println. So it is the function used to display the output. So args, and we have to specify the location, that is index 0. After that, semicolon. So it will display the argument or a data which is at location 0. As we know, the Java is used, the array starts with 0. In C it starts with 1. After that, curly bracket close. So how to run this program? So next step is open the command prompt, that is CMD. Within CMD, write the code Java C, that is Java compiler, and your program name. So program name is the demo dot Java extension. When there is no error, so it will go directly to the next line. If there is error, it will show the error. Next step is we have to run this. So demo is our class name. So next step, we want to run Java demo and we are passing the argument. Suppose argument is 1, 2, 3 D ABC. So in this case, Java is the interpreter, demo is our class name, 123 is args, that is argument, which is having a location 0. D is again a argument which is having location 1, and ABC is again a argument which is location 2. So we'll pass this data to the program. After that it will display the 0 location value. So 0 location value is 1, 2, 3. So the output of this program is 1, 2, 3, because 1, 2, 3 is considered as a string.